This is the V letter sound story. One day during the summer, Uncle Vic arrives at Zack and Jess's house. "Would you like to come and help me today?" he asks. "Yes, please," they reply. "Come on then, we have a lot to do," says Uncle Vic. They all drive off to the station in his van, going, "Voo." "I need to collect an order from Vale's Fruit and Veg," says Uncle Vic. And they are going again, "Voo." They stop outside the door and Uncle Vic collects the order. Then, vroom, they are off again. Next, Uncle Vic delivers the vegetables to old Mistress Vernon. They are busy all day driving around, going, "Voo." Eventually, it is time for Zack and Jess to go home. "Goodbye," call Zack and Jess as they wave to Uncle Vic.